I'm doing a bird's nest. This is a taro. I already took the skin out. I'm gonna arrange this here like this. I'm trying to get this as hot as possible. So I'm gonna use this here. I'm gonna make the sauce, a little bit of fish sauce, oyster sauce. I'm gonna do cornstarch slurry on the side because I want to control my thickness. Ground white pepper. Pinch of salt, starch slurry. I turn off the heat and I'm adding sesame oil.
I cut it.
Hey.
I cut it.
See? Bird's nest.
Cut it.
And there you go, my beautiful bird nest. Bon appetit. Bye.